Welcome home to McCain's Station Townhomes. I'm Jackie and I'm so excited to show you around. Our community is in an A+ location right off Vietnam Veterans Parkway on Big Station Camp Boulevard and around the corner from everything you could possibly need. Highly rated Station Camp schools are all less than a half-mile from your doorstep. Plus Kroger and Publix are both less than 3 miles from your home for grocery shopping made easy. You're also only 5 miles away from the streets of Indian Lake in Hendersonville, which is home to a variety of stores and restaurants as well as Regal Cinema. Your new home at McCain's Station is designed with your needs and lifestyle in mind, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and up to 1,700 square feet of space. It also includes a 1-car garage and a private driveway, so you'll have plenty of space for your storage and your car. You'll even get to choose the design finishes you love the most, from the color of your cabinets and countertops all the way down to your finishes and hardware, so your home feels like it's truly yours from day one. And don't worry, you'll have your very own backyard, so you can finally check hosting the next tailgate or family cookout off your list. Lawn care is also included, meaning you can spend more time enjoying your new home and less time maintaining it. When you build with us, you're never alone. Our team makes homeownership easier than ever. We'll guide you through the financing process, keep you updated on your home's progress, and still have your back even after you move in with your new home warranty and in-house customer care team. Well, what are you waiting for? Come visit us at McCain's Station Townhomes today. We can't wait to welcome you home.